Hey guys, Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Paramount Plastics Heat Extractor hood vent for the Polaris Slingshot. Now, if you own a Slingshot, it's no secret that the cockpit gets a bit warm, especially during those hot summer days. Well, this new Stealth Heat Extractor hood vent not only alleviates some of that unwanted engine heat, but also looks really cool once installed. The aggressive styling of this hood vent looks much better than the OE insert, and in our opinion does a much better job with complementing the body lines of the Slingshot. The bolt-on installation is straightforward and includes all necessary hardware, so follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Start by unscrewing these two Torx screws so you can remove your stock hood insert. Then simply slide your new hood vent into place and take your bolts with the plastic washer base and metal washer and push those through from the top of the hood vent down to underneath the hood, and add another metal washer and lock nut and leave those finger tight for now. Once all four are in, you can go through and tighten them all down, but only tighten down till snug, otherwise you will distort the heat extractor. And then finally you can snap the four black trim caps over the plastic washers covering the screw heads. All right, well that's it folks. Now you're looking good and feeling good. So if this product seems like something you'd be interested in, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you on the road.